I love my Lenovo Legion Go. I bought it 6 months ago and continue exploring its new features daily. Gaming on this 8.8 inches display is just so immersive. However, the significant advantage of this handheld is that it's on Windows, and I can easily plug in into my 4K TV with DisplayPort or HDMI using a dock station. Or I bought a DisplayPort Type-C cable, and I can connect it directly to my 144Hz monitor. But that's just a start, because Lenovo Legion Go has a USB 4 port, and I can connect an external video card to it. This little device will allow me to play with even better quality on a big screen. I bought a Razer Core X Chroma eGPU box, into which I can insert any modern video card. And I bought Nvidia RTX 4070. And today I want to test how it all works with Lenovo Legion Go, how many frames can I get in games, and what graphic settings can I use. Let's go! We grab our eGPU. I'm just going to pop in the RTX 4070. We just need to plug in wires and we're good to go. Razer Core X Chroma eGPU has ports on the back, so that you can plug in your keyboard, mouse, and display, and have that just one cable set up for your Legion Go. Now, once you plug in your USB 4 cable into your Legion Go, it should be plug and play, but unfortunately, it wasn't that simple. Just to summarize, I actually had to boot into safe mode, install Nvidia display drivers, reboot again, and we're good to go. I'll try to make a video in future on how to run Windows in a safe mode, but you can search for it on YouTube if it's still not on my channel. I have everything ready, but I want to run some more benchmarks first to compare the video card in Legion Go to the RTX 4070. Then I want to run some games and show how it all works. Let's run a couple of tests. 3D Mark with native GPU, with RTX 4070. Game tests. The Witcher 3 with native GPU, with RTX 4070. Cyberpunk with native GPU. With RTX 4070. CSGO 2 with native GPU. With RTX 4070. This handheld paired with an eGPU could replace a desktop PC, meaning you have a handheld for playing on the go, and eGPU setup for when you're back at home. To summarize, it's cheaper to build a desktop PC, but if you like me and want to have a device that you can play in a bed, at work, on a trip, in a queue, or many other places, but on other hand have a mighty home PC on which I can edit videos like this you're watching right now, write code, do 3D modeling, or play new games on the maximum settings, then the best option is Lenovo Legion Go plus eGPU. And the best part is that I can always upgrade to better graphic card. These are my thoughts on adding an eGPU to Lenovo Legion Go. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you have any ideas for future videos, please leave in a comment. And thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.